thinner at the waistline. I feel thinner at the waistline. I'm getting old in the face every day. There's another